Hi Byrdie, it's Joey Maalouf, co-founder of the Glam App and celebrity hair and makeup artist to the stars. And these are my just 5 things. First product, Sicily Lip Balm, because there's nothing more hideous than chapped lips. The first thing I do after I moisturize my client is apply this like really heavily, because I feel like I just want it to absorb as much moisture as possible. And you can see, I mean, obviously it looks like a little like greasy, but then I'll soften it before I actually do the lip, but I want it to moisturize the lips the entire time I'm beating down the rest of the face so that it gives you like a nice supple lip by the time I get to the lip. Next product, I mean, I eat this product alive. It's from the Victoria Beckham collection. It's Java Sun. I'm so obsessed with this color. It works on so many skin tones. I mean, you can tell like I ate it alive, and it's so good for like that just like fresh bronzy glow. You can use it as contour too because it's matte. It's just major all around because it's not too greigey and it's not too orange. It's just like the perfect sun-kissed shade. I'm obsessed with it. I hope they make this a staple product, but I don't know if they will. But literally, this is the last one I could find. Next is McGrath Labs eyeshadow palette. I mean, let's just be serious. This is new. I haven't like eaten it alive yet, but I've already used it 5 times and I just got it last week. The colors are so stunning. I mean, honestly, literally without like a base on the eyelid, you can get like so much pigment. It's insane. I mean, that's one swipe. Even with a brush, it comes off like that. And then this like rosy color, I mean, just like stunning. Like I want to wear it myself, but there's nothing that makes me happier than a really pretty eyeshadow palette with colors that are like really fun, and then colors that are really essential, like that you need in your kit, like a bronze and a warm brown, and you know, like, I mean, literally this is perfection, and it comes in other like shade ways, but I like this one the best. A really important product for me to always have is eye makeup remover, and I haven't found one that I like better than this. Lancome, this is genius. You can use this all over the face, just shake it before you use it. I stick a Q-tip in it and then it just like, psh, whatever. And for some reason, even though it is oil-based, like it just comes off, like pat it down just a little bit with like my fingertips, and then I put a concealer on and nothing happens. It's like perfection. I always finish off a look with a face mist. So this one's called Diamond Mist. I'm obsessed with it. So I don't like when things look too powdered and beat down. So I like to just kind of, and I will like spray this like forever. I'll tell my client to just like hold their breath for like a second and then just go like this. And it feels good. And it's like, oh, I'm finished. It like wakes them up, because I feel like some people think getting their makeup done is really relaxing, even though like you're stabbing their eyes with pencils and stuff. But anyway, this is a really good one. You can use this before and after. Obsessed. Thanks, Byrdie. That's my just 5 things. Those are my go-to products. I'm obsessed with all of them. If you have a favorite product, put it in the comments below. I want to know what they are.